DJ CD exclusive.
Yeah, neighborhood. Tiny blokes do the most. Nip hustle in this motherfucker. Some boy, you niggas already know what it is. Good shit. Y'all look, go back. Like this. Look, with so much drama in the RSC, most of these niggas in LA ain't got the heart to beat, so don't come around my way. Young niggas in the back shooting dice on the roof of the cage. Now as I step out my spot and put my keys in my car, dipping down the shore, made a left on High Park, seen some more brand niggas looking shady. Threw up my hood, they start laughing, trying to play me. 60 degrees got me rolling up my sleeves, reaching for my Ruger that's behind my AC for sheets. I pull up on them slow and hell no, I ain't hesitate to squeeze, cause I'm a tiny low line presser. You might mess up, make the wrong turn off slots and to learn a life lesson. Max with extended magazines and suppressors. Strapped cause police ain't on the streets to protect us. Trapped in a single, it's all a scheme to collect us. Lock us up in cages that they know ain't gon' correct us. Y'all done effed up, you from the west, hun, you got it on your mind, you should get it off your chest, cuz. Lot of speculation, who gon' be the next up? Block money, tell these rappers get their checks up. Before you hit the west, charge the sidekicks up. So when you get took for your change, you could text us. Between draws and the homie in the red chucks, it's safe to say we got this whole shit sold up. We got this whole shit sold up. I'm just looking for some more kush to roll up. Always smoking that la 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 to keep my brain maintaining through drama. I'm not the one. We jacking for beats on back streets with aluminum bats, toe tag the PD. That's any jurisdiction, in or out the district. 7-7 division of crime scene forensic. My non-blur vision of material witness. 2020 the blind, now she need prescriptions. Look, cut the lights out and twist up a sack, cause the fear's tapping my hood. You get all that? From the bird to the squad to the cameras in the back of the route by the field where I handle the pack. See a nigga like me just had to attack. In junior high I ain't had no sack lunch. In fact, I used to flip a quarter, get like me for change. Now I flip quarter kilos of cane and cop a gang.
Girl, this is a trip. Bad times.